Dear P2 students, our new topic is 5.5, that is about the compounds. In your previous topic, you have learned in the periodic table about the different type of the elements and along with their names, symbols and the atomic number. But you can observe that they didn't give us the any name of the compound in this periodic table. It means in the periodic table we learn about only the elements. Then what are compounds? Compounds are the substances which are formed by the chemical reaction between the elements. It means when elements, two or more than two elements are chemically combined, they make the compounds. We have the huge list of the salt, sugar, chalk, carbon dioxide. These all are compounds which are formed by the chemical reaction between different elements. And compounds can be broken down into its constituent elements. Let's start over here. A compound is a pure substance consisting of two or more elements which are chemically combined. For example, water. Water is a compound which is formed by the chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. It means hydrogen and oxygen are the elements or the constituents. These are the elements or constituents which chemically combine to make a new substance that is called compound, and this compound can be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen. But hydrogen and oxygen can't be broken down. It means hydrogen and oxygen are the elements and water is the compound. This is a word equation which we have written to express the chemical reaction in the form of the word equation. This is a sign of the chemical reaction. Then when chemical reaction takes place, the substance which is formed, it is totally different from its constituents. As hydrogen is gas, oxygen is gas, but the water is liquid. It means this compound's properties are totally different from its constituents. It means water is a compound. There are two you can say the things which can we use to express that water is a compound, not an element. That water can be broken down into its elements and water properties are different from its constituents or its components. It means water is a compound. Let's get the introduction of different other examples to know about more about the compounds. Sand. Sand's chemical name is silicon dioxide. Means sand is formed from the silicon and the oxygen. We can write down its word equation as well. Silicon plus oxygen arrow. I am writing here silicon dioxide. It means silicon and oxygen are the elements which are chemically combined to make a compound that is a silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide can be broken down into silicon and oxygen that are the elements. The other examples, polyethylene is a type of the plastic. It is formed from the carbon and the hydrogen. It means carbon and hydrogen are the elements which are chemically combined to make a type of the plastic that is polyethylene. Sugar is also a compound which is formed by the chemical reaction between the hydrogen and the oxygen. It means hydrogen and oxygen are the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These three constituents make the sugar. We can write over here carbon plus hydrogen plus oxygen arrow sugar. ग्लूकोज भी लिख सकते हैं, इट्स अ केमिकल नेम. So it means these three constituents chemically combine to make a new product that is called a compound, that is sugar. And the other is chalk. Chalk is also a compound. It is made up of three types of the elements: calcium, carbon and the oxygen. Dry ice is also called a carbon dioxide, and solid carbon dioxide is called the dry ice. It is made up of carbon and the oxygen. So over here they have given you the common salt, mean common salt, eatable salt, जो आप घरों में खाते हैं, eatable salt. Its chemical formula is sodium chloride, mean it is made up of sodium and chlorine. Sodium and chlorine are the elements. When they chemically combine, they make a compound which name is the sodium chloride. But over here, for the examination point of view, you have to learn the chemical name as well as the common name. Like you must know the sand and the chemical name silicon dioxide. Common salt, that is edible salt, and the sodium chloride, its chemical name. And the polythene and the plastic, and sugar and glucose. And the over here dry ice means solid carbon dioxide. So these common names you must also know for your knowledge and information. Hope so. Now about the compounds, your concept is clear.